Yes, this is also a two marks question. Next topic of ancient Indian law, Dharma Shastra. So, Dharma Shastra cover under the topic of Hindu law. We have read it about the Hindu law. First topic Dharma, second sources of Dharma, third topic is Dharma Shastra. So, Dharma Shastra is an example of Smriti. Smriti means what is remembered. Earlier I told you, yaad hai jaisa hai na? What is remembered. They are Sanskrit written texts on religion and legal duties. Dharma Shastra are voluminous, means बहुत बड़ा, बहुत lengthy, and there are hundred of such texts. Means Ramayana, that is Mahabharata is there, Ramayana texts were there. So this books contains a lots of pages of very lengthy books they are. So it is what is Dharma Shastra? It is a religious text book only, which contains hundred of pages. The most important features of Dharma Shastra are they provide rules of life of the ideal householder. क्या रामायण भारत आपको यही चीज़ बताता है ना? You take the concept of that only. And they contain the Hindu knowledge about religion, law, ethics and so on. So at that time period, law is decided according to that textbooks. Law is decided about the what is written in that text, religious textbooks. The law is decided accordingly. Okay. Now topic again Dharma Shastra is divided into three parts. First one is आचरा, आपका आचरण कैसा है. Second one is व्यवहारा. Third one is प्राश्रित. Okay, we covers about first topic, that is Dharma Shastra contains three categories. First one is achara, which provides rules on daily rituals, life cycles, rites, as well as specific duties and proper conduct that each of four castes or varnas have to follow. क्या बताता है आपको धर्मशास्त्र? धर्मशास्त्र फर्स्टली बेस्ड ऑन आचरण. आपका आचरण कैसा, आपका आचरण कैसा, डेली रूटीन्स कैसे, लाइफ साइकिल, हाउ यू आर सर्वाइविंग योर लाइफ साइकिल, how you are conducting with the caste system, other caste systems, what is daily ritual you are following, what practice of religions you are doing, accordingly daily sacrifice what are you doing, the kind of food you eat, how to obtain them, कैसे आप उसे ले रहे हो, how can you give, how can you accept religious gifts, all will be depends on your achara. The life cycle of rites are ritual that are conducted on important events in one's life like birth, marriage, time of skirt, trade. Acharya also provide the rules for duties for all the ashrams. Acharya में सारे duties, आपको क्या कास्ट फॉलो करनी है, आपको क्या कैसे रहना है, आपको कैसे आपको लाइफ स्टाइल सर्वाइव करनी है, how you will your life cycle will be, all will be decided in the ashrams. At that time you send your child in ashram to learn about this. आप हाँ अपने बच्चों को यहीं भेजते थे, क्यों? क्योंकि to learn the how the life will be there. Ashram are a stage, 4 stage. Ashrams has 4 stage. First one is brahmacharya, that is student life. Second one is grihastha, that is householder life. Third one is vanasprastha, that is forest dwellers, forest में घूम के अपनी लाइफ को कैसे आप करोगे. Last one is sannyas, how you can take the renouncers, means आप कैसे आप सन्यासी बन जाओगे. So that will be 4 category in the ashram which is teaches there, which will teach there by the pandits or shastri. Second topic which is covered under Dharma Shastra is Vyavhara. How you have nature, how you behave in the society are role, law and law procedure. Accordingly, that will be decided. They include Raj Dharma or the duties and obligation of king to organize court, listen and examine witness, decide and enforce punishment and pursue justice. व्यवहार में क्या देखा जाता है? How your nature will be, how what type of witnesses you are taking out, how the case will be decided out. हाँ आपको सुना जाएगा कि नहीं, लाइक आपका आचरण अच्छा नहीं था, आप अच्छे से नहीं थे, आप वैसे ही आपका व्यवहार सोसाइटी बहुत रूड था, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली पनिशमेंट आपको प्रोवाइड की जाती थी थ्रू दी किंग्स, और किंग्स के थ्रू ही कोर्ट ऑर्गेनाइज की जाती थी. थर्ड कैटेगरी प्राश्चित. आप कैसे उसको प्राश्चित करोगे, कैसे अपने फॉल्ट को रियलाइज़ करोगे, हाउ यू realize your fault by having a punishment which lay down the rules of punishment menace for violating the law of dharma. आपने अपना धर्म कैसे वॉलिटेट किया, कैसे आप उसके अपोज में गए, तो that will be your प्राश्चित. They are understood to remove the sin of committing something that is forbidden. आपने कैसे गलत किया, कैसे आपने sin मतलब गलत किया, wrong thing you have done which is forbidden. लॉ ने जिसको मना किया था करने के लिए, लॉ ने जिसको अपोज किया था मनने के लिए, but you have done that. So this is the rule of Dharmashastra. Accordingly, the law and regulation of that ancient we decided. So this is also a 2 marks question, or in the MCQs also there's some questions when we made it out from this para, so go through it nicely. Okay, now in the Dharma Shastra, next topic is textual hermeneutics, means interpretation, means how did this Dharma Shastra interpreted it. So this Dharma Shastra is interpreted by the written texts in the areas of religion, law and literature. The books which are given related to the religions, law, literature. Accordingly, this Dharma Shastra will be interpreted. Hermeneutics means interpretation. The Dharma Shastra tradition used the textual hermeneutics like कौन सा textual hermeneutics इसने use किया था? Kova Mimamsa, which means a detailed knowledge of how to interpret the Vedic text and including the Dharma Shastra text, how they interpreted the Vedic text, how they interpreted means how much knowledge they will gain from this Vedic text. That is Purva Mimamsa. This Dharma Shastra will be dependent. Important Dharma Shastra texts. There are literally hundreds of textbooks were there for the Dharma Shastra, but Dharma Sutra was the first. This is your one word. Dharma Sutra was the first 4 texts of the Dharma Shastra. The Sanskrit meaning of Dharma Sutra is righteous trait or strength. Righteous means जहाँ से क्या rights होंगे आपके, क्या duties होंगे, that is righteous. This is written of the Dharma Shastra is a prose style. किस style में लिखा है? Prose. They deals with the subject matter of dharma and are guidebook on dharma which rules on conduct and rights. Dharma Shastra discuss the rules or duties for all the ashram. क्या आश्रम्स को किस टाइप से रूल्स रेगुलेशन फॉलो अप करने, that all will be given in Dharma Sutra. The studenthood, householderships, the retirement of what is the age of forest traveling, what is the age of covers under the householdership, what is the age covers under the sannyasi. So that will be decided in the Dharma Sutra. Also they provide the rights, duties, what the duties will be there for kings, courts, proceeding, other issues, all covers under the Dharma Shastra. What type of crimes will be there, punishments, daily sacrifices, future practice will be given in Dharma Shastra. Most important Dharma Shastra texts are Apastamba, Gautama, Bodhayana and Vistha, and they came various geographical long questions in India and are composed different times between 1600 to 100 approximately. These are the important Dharma Shastra textbooks.